Here we go, guys. We're going to take a quick look at the micro gold futures, silver, and copper. Shameless plug, we're going to leave our link to our micro trading futures course below, half off, 50% off. So here we go. Looking at the gold futures chart, this is a daily, and we did a measured move here, which again, all this is explained in great detail in the course below. But we had a consolidation zone here, and we simply, on the breakout, we did a measured move percentage-wise 8.67 to the top. Then, as you can see by the white price path, we came down, consolidated a little bit, and then broke out again. So when it starts to break out, you take your percentage indicator and put it at the bottom of where price, bottomed out, and move it straight up. So we've been tracking this for quite a while, and we're nearing the top. Not that we can exceed it, near term, first of next week, what have you, but we're nearing the top. And also, just give you a couple of freebies here while we're here. We're getting extended above the 20, pretty high, and time and distance. The last time we hit the 20, and then, how far we are above the 20, we could, again, consolidate like we did down here, or pull back and allow that 20 to catch up. Not financial advice, but when price starts getting this far, this extended above the 20, we're looking for, opportunities to scale out. We never go in 100%. Like if you have $1,000, 100,000, whatever, we never go in with the complete $1,000 or 100,000. We slowly scale in, and then same with coming out. You don't want to get, sell everything. Not financial advice, but just kind of common sense here. You don't want to sell everything out and then have price, run up another 15, 20, 30% on you. Okay. And then now that's based on this little cycle here, this 1, 2, 3 step. Let's go to the monthly chart here. And same thing, same principle. See, what I'm showing you and what I teach in the course works for every asset. Doesn't matter, gold, silver, oil, copper, what have you, on any time frame. Hourly, 4-hour, daily, weekly, monthly here. So anyway, same principle. This leg up, consolidation, pull back, and then here we go. And our let's see, pull this back a little bit. Let's go here. So about, let's just call it 2,400 for just even round numbers. 23.95 is our target. So that's what we're looking at, in the more longer term, just to get the party started, so to speak. Okay. Then what happens once you finish that third leg? I mean, if you can count to 3, you can, thank goodness you can do this stuff. Okay. So what'll happen, again, we'll do a little consolidation, maybe pull back. I'll see again, where are we? We're a little bit above that 20, okay? Well, actually quite a bit. Trying to see if there's anything else here. Okay, let's slide over to silver. Okay, take a look at silver, and same principle. Like I said, it works with all these different futures. Little leg up, 1, 2, 3, there you go. And we have a measured move here to the top, about 16%, and we haven't hit it yet on silver. Silver still possibly has some, legs on it to keep running up. And let me pull up here. Yeah, we're looking, about a little over 28 bucks near term. Now, are we going to keep going straight up? We could, but again, what I like looking at is kind of a monitor here, getting a little spaced above that 20, which is not going to last for long. As you see here, we got up there, a number of days, a few weeks, and then we consolidated and pulled back into that 20. Okay. So if you're in, not financial advice, but just, keep riding the trend. If you're looking to get in, maybe wait until that 20 catches up, or we have a little pullback into it, or don't go in as heavy as you might. Like if you normally go in, scale in 10%, 15, 20% of whatever your risk capital is, maybe do half of that, 5% instead of 10, 10 instead of 20. You get the point. And then where that red dash line comes from, let's go to the weekly. Everything you need to know is on the left-hand side of the chart here. And as you can see, I have all these high pivots: resistance, resistance, sell-off, resistance, resistance. So as we get up there, that around that 28.50, 28.54 in that zone, yeah, we would definitely get a nice pullback. Okay, and then let me take all this off. I just saw something. Since you're taking the time to listen, let me give you a couple of tips here. 98% of the pros out there don't even know this stuff, or retail really. Whenever the 20 and the 200 come together, it doesn't matter if it's on the weekly chart here, or let's go to the daily, or the daily chart here, where for a number of days the 20 was on top of the 200. 100% of the time, not 98, not 99, 100% of the time, you just sit on your hands and wait to see if price breaks to the upside. Let's go back, easier to see here. Price will either break to the upside or to the downside when that 20 and 200 come together, okay? And then you just sit on your hands, wait for the breakout to the upside or downside, and that way to go long or short. All this is explained in more detail, in the micro futures trading course below. And also with silver, what I love about it, if you're in the camp of silver going to, surpassing all-time highs and really blowing up here in the coming, weeks, months, years, whatever. I don't know if a lot of people don't know this, but on the micro futures, you can control 1,000 ounces. But basically, you have 1,000 ounces of silver for about $2,000, a little over $2,000. I think it's $2,050, $2,052 for 1,000 ounces. Okay, and imagine the leverage there. That's how. Big corporations, all those guys, even the miners, use the futures to hedge their operations. Okay, if it's going down, they're short and compensating, their business outputs. And then if it's going up, of course, they're long, adding to their profit margins. And let me do copper. Let me throw that in here. If we can get it over there. Okay, here's copper, and we're hitting that overhead resistance here, that trend line, okay? And again, this is a great example, okay? 20 and the 200 coming close together, and then, we had the breakout, and the rest is history. And also, what else do you see here regarding the 20 pop quiz, okay? We just went over it. Yeah, once price breaks out, gets a little over the 20, comes back in, extended, comes back in, and it'll keep doing that. Also, the 20 and the 200 at some point is going to come back together just like it did at this point, okay? So we're just kind of holding and moding here and seeing how things pan out. But guys, appreciate you watching. Check out our course below, 50% off, and give us a follow on X, and we will see you on the charts.